What's going on, everybody? Danny from Legit Crypto back again. This time we're going to be talking about two main pieces here. One, we're going to be talking about the cryptocurrency market. We see Bitcoin has now fallen to $7,000. Are we going to see a further move downward? We're going to take a look at the price action of Bitcoin, potentially where Bitcoin can end up from this recent move. And we're also going to be talking about possibly the biggest news of 2018 for cryptocurrency thus far, the New York Stock Exchange making a platform where people are going to be able to manage, buy, and sell digital assets. Really big news we have there. If you enjoy cryptocurrency content, please consider subscribing to the channel, hitting that notification bell, leave a like and a comment, and also check out the Binance Exchange where you can pick up some cryptocurrencies of your very own. And also check out our Telegram group. This way we can all talk around about crypto. Going to leave the group open for a few hours. This is a free group, so link will be down in the description. Let's get right into Bitcoin here today, looking at the current prices of some of the top cryptocurrencies. With Bitcoin falling down hard, obviously the rest of the market is going to follow. Some coins 8, 7, 5% down in the red. We have some outliers like Ethereum Classic so far. A lot of people are anticipating that Ethereum Classic is going to go higher up with the recent news that it is supposed to be listed on Coinbase by August 7th, around that time period. So a lot more people are buying up the coin, and so far it hasn't gone down nearly as far as some people anticipated. Two, when you are looking at the rest of the market, obviously we're going to have some outliers, a few coins up in the green, but for the most part we have a red market. The current price of Bitcoin is at $7,000. Let's take a closer look at what Bitcoin is looking like. So now let's take a closer look at Bitcoin, where I think the market for Bitcoin is going to be going. So we can see we have fallen from this $8,000 mark. It looks like we were getting ready for a bull market. A lot of people were just anticipating the bull market coming a lot sooner than what we now see it could possibly come at. Also, with the Bitcoin ETF being delayed, that decision, I felt that just brought a lot of negative vibes around crypto, and a lot of people were disappointed by that. They were expecting to have an answer sooner rather than later. Now, just looking at the chart, you guys know I'm no expert with charting. I am still learning as I go along when it comes to charting. I am more of a fundamentals person, investing into a project based on what they provide to the table, what they can really do to become a cryptocurrency that's going to survive and be something people are actually going to use. But looking at it from this point of view, looking at the RSI, looking at the MACD with this cross right here, I think we are going to see more further downwards action. Looking at the cross we received right here, we had an RSI that was close to, let's see, around the 60 mark, and then once we had this cross in the MACD, we went downwards, and I think that trend is going to continue from the cross that we have down right here. We have the RSI at around 40, so if it wasn't looking like this, it may be an opportunity for us to buy if we were looking to trend maybe a little bit upwards, but I think we could possibly take a dive where the RSI goes down even further to around 30 or even down further than that with the way cryptocurrency has fallen over the past few days. We fell from $8,000 to $7,500, now to $7,000, a little bit under the $7,000 mark. So I wouldn't be surprised even if we get Bitcoin to fall to anywhere from around like $6,400 to, let's say, $6,600. And if we fell even further than that for a short period of time, I wouldn't be surprised with the amount of negativity that's surrounding crypto in terms of some of the certain news. We had the news with the New York Stock Exchange, their new platform is going to be coming out. But I think until it comes, which is supposed to be coming in November, a lot of people aren't going to be as hyped up about it. They're just not taking as much consideration on how big of news that is for cryptocurrency. So now let's go right into that. Let's talk about this platform that the New York Stock Exchange is going to be launching. They beat NASDAQ to the punch. Let's check it out. We can now take a look at Bakkt. This is the platform that has been started by the New York Stock Exchange. It is actually backed as well by Microsoft and by Starbucks, really showing you the confidence that some big companies have in cryptocurrency and in the Bakkt platform. So with Bakkt, they are trying to bring a new way for people to buy, spend, store, and sell their digital assets all on a single platform. And one of the biggest things about Bitcoin is the security behind everything. Who exactly can you trust? Because these aren't credit card transactions. If you send someone Bitcoin, that is going to be gone forever. There is no way they are going to be sending you your Bitcoin back, no way for you to get it back, unless this is just a really nice and trustworthy person. So with this platform, they're looking to bring trust and utility to digital assets. We're no longer going to be looking at these cryptocurrencies as things that are simply just there. They are now going to have a platform people can actually use, buy, and spend them, use them all throughout the platform. And I think this is just such great big news for cryptocurrency in 2018. Backed by the Intercontinental Exchange's proven financial market infrastructure and technology, Bakkt's secure global platform will connect investors, merchants, and consumers, making it easier and faster and more cost-effective to access, trade, and use digital assets. Bakkt's open resource neutral platform will be designed to meet applicable regulatory requirements and to support innovation around digital assets and blockchain applications. So, some of the things you're going to be able to do with the Bakkt platform. 1. Efficiency. Buy, sell, store, and spend digital assets within an efficient global ecosystem. Seamless. An integrated global platform for trading, warehousing, and commerce. And a secure platform leveraging Intercontinental Exchange's market infrastructure. Bakkt is designed to bring regulatory trading, clearing, and warehousing. And as I said before, coming soon in November, ICE features US and ICE Clear US plans to launch its first physically delivered Bitcoin futures and warehouse in coordination with Bakkt, subject to regulatory review and approval. This will enable access for institutional investors via regulated market infrastructure. If you guys cannot see the kind of news, the kind of support that can come from something like Bakkt being released, you really just have to look closer at the platform. It is a great platform potentially for crypto. We are going to have to see it in action. I don't want to hype it up really to the max just yet before we even have the full platform released, but in November this could be something that is really big, and this can lead to a lot of money coming into the cryptocurrency market. We can really see crypto become mainstream adopted before our own very eyes, and I think that's something that is very exciting to possibly be a part of. If we do stick around for the cryptocurrency market for long enough, we are definitely going to see mainstream adoption. But who knows, maybe we can actually see it a lot sooner than we think. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. What do you think about the platform? And do you think it will bring mainstream adoption faster to crypto? If you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell, leave a like and a comment. Check us out on Twitter, Facebook, and on Steemit, and check out the Binance Exchange and our Telegram group. Link is all in the description down below. Thank you all again for watching, and I'll see you next video.